And then these other guys walked in maybe a minute into the movie and sat on the back row. And I hear them whispering to each other. They start having a burp off. And I went, cool. Yeah, that's a thing you do. You go to the theater to see who can burp the loudest during the quiet, intimate movie. That's what you do, right? Then let's fast forward maybe half an hour into the movie. And the guy who was sitting on the front row that I said was walking side to side like he was intoxicated, I hear him snoring, and I mean loudly snoring. And I said, okay, yes, this movie's a little slow, but it's not that slow, and it's not that early in the day, okay? There is no reason you should be sleeping right now. But yes, loudly snoring. And I went, oh, great.